Hello and welcome to Rathod Science Academy. Today we are going to discuss very important topic for your anthropology optional, that is book list of anthropology. So if you search any website or if you see any videos, so there is a very lengthy list of book list for your anthropology. But here in this video I am going to give you a very brief, very short book list for this anthropology. It is more than enough to complete your syllabus to get 300 plus marks in your examination. So here I am going to talk about both paper 1 and as well as paper 2. So first of all, before seeing that book list, first let us see which are the topics which are involved in your paper 1 and paper 2. So if you see how much percentage that so and so topic which is contributing for your syllabus based on the number of units, you will be getting some idea like where you have to invest more amount of time and as well as more resources. Okay, let us see that. So actually 24% of your syllabus in this units, okay, in the form of units in your syllabus from both paper 1 and paper 2, it is related to physical anthropology. Okay, 24% of your syllabus is related to physical anthropology based on units. Okay, and next one is 33.3% is related to socio-cultural anthropology. And 19% is related to Indian anthropology, which is part of your paper 2. And Indian archaeology is 5%, again it is from your paper 2. And tribal India is for 19% based on the units. But if you see the contribution of tribal India in your examination, it will be 25%. 25% of questions that will be asking from this tribal India. Why? Because you know that in paper 2, we have section A and we have section B, right? So in this section B, you will be having 6, 7, 8, 9 units, right? In section A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 6, 7, 8, 9 sections of your syllabus is tribal anthropology. So from number of questions, you will be getting 25%, right? Why? Because you will be having section A and section B in paper 1, section A and section B in paper 2. So this entire section B of paper 2 is tribal India, but number of chapters are 19% only if you are seeing overall syllabus of your anthropology. So now let us see the book list for these 5 areas clearly. So first one is physical anthropology. So for this physical anthropology in market, there are 2 good books. So you can select one. So first one is Physical Anthropology by P.Nath. And next one is Outline of Physical Anthropology by BN.Das. These are the 2 books that you can refer. And next one is for Socio-Cultural Anthropology, you can refer i.Ember and as well as Majumdar and Madan. And intro to this social anthropology by Majumdar and Madan. So these are the very good books that are available in the market. And next one is archaeology. So for this archaeology, there is no best book, but I will be providing you the notes in my course of anthropology. Other than that, you can get some video lectures of this Dr.D.K.Bhattacharya. They are very, very useful. And in that videos, you will be seeing even specimens of this archaeology, like a skull, like bones, etc. that you can get clear-cut evidences. Okay. And next part is Indian anthropology. So for this, you have one very good book, that is An Indian Anthropology by Nadeem Hasnain. And next one is for tribal India. So you have to be updated with the current affairs regarding this tribal India. So for that, you have to see this Ministry of Tribal Affairs report, which will be released at the end of every year. And next one is IAS committee report. So these are the very important reports that you have to see. Apart from that, even we have good books like Nadeem Hasnain, Tribal India and Tribal Culture in India by L.P.Vidyarthi. So these are the books that you have to refer. Apart from the standard books and committees, you have to take one book which contains like question and answer format. For example, Anthropology Demystified, and as well as even Akshat Jain book is there. So in these 2 books, you can take one so that you will be saying answers in the question and answer format. Okay. so that you will be understanding how to write an answer. And mostly, as you know, 80% of questions in anthropology will be repeated. So you will be getting a clear-cut format of writing an answer for that certain topic with examples. So I will be recommending these books for your anthropology preparation, and these are more than enough, guys. Okay, and if you like our series of anthropology classes, and we are going to start foundation course for anthropology soon on December 19th. We are providing on both online and offline, and we will be having around 3.5 months of classes every day from Monday to Saturday. On Sunday, we will be having revision test, and daily there will be one mains question will be given with evaluation. And next one here is at least twice revision will be done in our classroom itself. And next important one here is fees is very affordable. So fee for offline is 35,000 and online is 30,000 itself. And one more thing is we are also going to have the test series after this course. Okay, and for sure I will be giving you the class notes so that you can write that, and that is more than enough for your preparation apart from these sources. Clear? That's all, guys. And if you want to join that course, which is going to be started from December 19th, you can contact on the number which is appear on the screen. That is 8074765513. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you like this class, please hit the like button, and please do share this class to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Rathod's IAS Academy. Thank you so much, guys.